Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a fun way to move and play with a Cossack squat that can strengthen your legs and put mobility in your knees and your hips. Well, I'll just show you what it looks like. So you get on all fours, kick a leg out to the side like a kickstand, and what we're going to do is we're going to rock back, get to our foot, stand up, come over, and rock back down, get in all fours. And if you want, you can put that leg out beside you, and then we're just going to rock back. We're going to stand up, go to the other side, and go down to the ground. Rock back, stand up. So this is a Cossack squat, and all we're doing is we're just going from side to side, and we're just putting that little bit of rock. Now, this is great for mobilizing the feet, by the way. So I am moving through my whole foot, coming up, coming across, and then letting that knee go all the way to the ground, and that really mobilizes all of my toes as my knee goes to the ground. And if this is too much, like if actually standing is too much for your legs right now, you don't have to stand up all the way. You can rock back, use your hands to crawl to the side. And this is just fun in itself. It's kind of got a Spider-Man feel to it, but it also helps you find your groin muscles, which are these muscles right here, also known as adductors for civilized people. And you can just walk from side to side in the bottom of your Cossack squat. And if you wanted to work on external rotation, you could open up the foot and point your toes to the ceiling and then come all the way over. Ooh, that feels special. And then let that knee track back, and then you could open up this one, come all the way over. And then you just kind of walk from side to side. Again, these are just fun ways to play to try to strengthen your legs and put some mobility in your hips and your knees and your feet. I'll show you what I was talking about. So as I let this knee go all the way down to the floor, look at all the mobility it puts in that foot. And so just doing that, I mean, it's great for your feet, great for your hips, great for your knees, and great for all the muscles that support those knees and hips. Anyway, this is just a fun way that you can play with the Cossack squat to add some interesting movement to your day and to spice up your legs a little bit. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.